One local woodworker is turning remnants of a Vigo County landmark into art. Remember the tree in the middle of the road in northern Vigo County? Well, we have an update for you. In recent months, 2 limbs have fallen off, but it's not the last you'll see of them. News 10's Kit Hanley has more on what the future holds for this tree.
I'm back once again here at the tree in the middle of the road. Now, as you can see, it looks a little different. A few of its limbs have fallen off, but one local woodworker is turning those limbs into items like this to keep history alive. From Greencastle Road to the sawmill to Blaine Berry's backyard.
World War I, 1914.
The fallen limbs from the tree in the middle of the road are getting a second chance at life.
Some of these things hopefully will still be around for a couple hundred years. The tree and me will both be gone, but these things will still be here, and there'll be people saying, "Who's Blaine Berry?"
Well, this is Blaine Berry, the wood whisperer with a will and a workbench. 84-year-old Berry is a retired arborist and a current woodworker. He plans on turning the wood from the limbs into all sorts of items with the help of his 14-year-old neighbor and apprentice, Luke.
Some wooden bowls, some wooden spoons, some ladles. I'm going to make a calendar of events. Eventually, I hope to make a couple benches. Let me show you what we can do with a piece of wood from the tree in the road. The finished product.
But the art isn't for sale. It's for display. The Swope Art Museum in Terre Haute will soon hold an exhibit for the array of historical pieces.
You notice the imperfection in the bottom, but that adds to it. It's just rewarding. Not a good day to me unless I can see what these hands have done.
Berry tells me he and the tree still have long lives to live. And just like in life, a tree's flaws are what makes it beautiful.
Each one of them has a little imperfection, but it just adds character and patina.
And you can find items like this beautiful acorn bowl at the Swope Art Museum this fall. Reporting in Vigo County, Kit Hanley, News 10.
Great story.